Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here for you in this video 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE, and let's go together see how to inspect engine air filter. This is my friend's SUV. This is my first time inspecting it and working on it, and in different video we already discovered that the local engine oil stop company overfilled this engine with a little bit with the engine oil, right? They also replaced the engine air filter. That's what it says in the invoice. So let's go see how it's done and if it's true. And basically this is very easy, right? You see these two clips, the silver clips, you just pop them off this way, right? I'm trying to do it the way you can see what I did, right? And now I need to carefully start lifting the housing this way, right, up, and this is my engine air filter. And voila, we can see that engine oil stop company did a good job. They really replaced the filter and it looks almost brand new. So that's a fantastic news. Now how you install it? Well, you observe the direction, right? This goes down as we pulled it out, right? So I will carefully install it back. Now this whole housing needs to fit on the left side here, right there, right, in like a bracket. And when it's nicely seated, I pop one and two these brackets back. I'm just checking, right? I checked that I didn't pull this vacuum line off. Everything's fine, and basically the whole procedure is finished. Wasn't that easy? I believe everybody can do it by themselves. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you find it helpful for maintaining your own vehicle. Please make sure you are subscribed, because I will have always way more videos coming your way soon in the future. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.